Okay. Okay, guys, bring him over here. Okay, so, yep. Actually, you know what? Let's just spin this. Okay. That was awesome, Jed. Good job. Yep, so that tube slides onto that rod.
Oh, I want to see this one on top.
That's good that you want that kind of loose anyway.
Two rockets?
All right, so now these clips.
That one was mine.
One on each.
I pulled the key.
Watch where you're stepping.
And then go over here.
Yeah, they're real stuff. What's that?
Go over.
You want to watch the next one? Okay, give her a chance. Somebody else.
That's good. And the other one?
When you're done with it.
Jed, she's got it. She's got it.
All right. Squeeze it.
Does it matter if it goes?
Doesn't matter how attached it is. Just attach it.
Shush, you be quiet. Look your rocket over.
There you go. All right.
Okay, you ready to go? All right. Safety key first.
Put that there.
Okay, she's got it. She's got it.
Put that in there.
Okay.
Shut up.
Thank you.
Safety pin in the little hole right in front of the light bulb. Yep. Push it down.
Has to light.
Okay. All right, lights. So start your count. So hold it down. Start your countdown, and then push that button when you're ready to go. Put the string in. 3, 2, 1, 0.
And
Holy cow!
holy, there! Yeah. Ouchie! Ouchie! Exploded some.
Go on, shoot.
Open up. Perry.
Jed, no.
Go get it.
That one wasn't very
Probably all right.
packed up. That one wasn't packed up very good.
Yeah, well, great. Then they win.
Hold the rocket. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Mission successful.